Okay, this is chicken broth, bone broth that I made that has onions and garlic in it. And I ran it through the canner like I always do. And this is just flat out weird. Since they process for the correct amount of time and everything, and I used the forjars lids, you know, vinegar water in the canner. But the weirdest darn thing, I took them out and the lids have been going pop, 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 and instead of pinging like they normally do to seal, several of them are, of course, now that I walk away and get the phone so that I can take a video of it, it's not going to do it. That was the weirdest damn thing I've ever seen. Maybe it was just because it was still boiling. I'm not sure. See, you hear that? How it's like going down and then popping back up. And they all had 1 inch of headspace the way they're supposed to. But normally, when I pull stuff out of the canner, it just, you know, you hear that one ping and then you don't hear it again and they're sealed. So I'm not real sure what's causing that. You know, is it something I did? Is it the lids? I know everybody loves their forjars lids, and I seem to be the only one who's ever had any problems with them, because I did get a batch that had several defects in them, and I contacted the company and gave them a picture of what the defect in the lid was, and never heard back from them again. But yeah, these are just some Golden Harvest jars, but you should be able to use the forjars lids on them and rings. And well, they're settling down now. They were popping back and forth, and you can see they're still bubbling and boiling, so maybe that has something to do with it, but I'll just leave it alone and see what happens. If not, it'll go in the freezer. But yeah, chicken broth, bone broth with forjars lids.